3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles, and today I'm showing you guys how to play Million Reasons by the awesome Lady Gaga. This song is great on acoustic guitar. We got some nice, beautiful open chords. We're in standard tuning, so let's go. We got a C major. 1, 2, 3. We got A minor. So from C, just go bam. So don't move your first and second finger, just the third finger. Now we have F major. I like to play it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers. To G major. 2, 3, pinky. Alright, so I think that's all the chords we need. And what I'm doing is I'm picking and then strumming. So I'm going. 5, 4, 3, down. Down, up, down, down. A minor. F major. G major. From the G you pick from the E string. Chorus. F major. To C. A minor. To G. F to C. A minor. To G. F to C. A minor. To G. And F 2, 3, 4. Verse. bridge. That's A minor. F, C, same chords, just different order. C to G, F to C, A minor to G, and for the chorus out. So let's do the bridge one more time. 1, 2, A minor. F, C. This is 2 times. A minor to F, C to G. Now we're gonna go to F, to C, A minor, G. Chorus. Oh yeah, F. Yeah, it's the chorus there. Alright. Cool, guys. I love this song. I play this a lot with singer-songwriters when times are normal. I'll be back tomorrow. Tune in then. Be safe. Thanks.